Swing into bliss at Wijaya's Kiss. Tucked along Dalawella's shore, Wijaya Beach offers so much more. With golden sands and waters clear, it's a slice of heaven drawing cheer. A coral reef hugs the coast, creating a calm lagoon to boast perfect for a snorkel or a dip or a lazy, sun-kissed trip. Snap a swing shot mid-air flight, framed by palms and ocean light. Sea turtles glide in shallow blue, adding magic to your view. A dreamy beach day, just for you. Ceylon vibes only.